In this video, I'll show you how to make sure that you crochet in the round with the right side facing out. So if you're right-handed and you're crocheting in the round, you're crocheting in stitches to the left of your hook. So that is a counterclockwise motion. And you're going from essentially the inside of the circle to the outside when you put your hook in a stitch. And your piece is naturally going to curve into this bowl shape at some point. And the way that it naturally curves is actually with the wrong side facing out. You can tell because you can see these horizontal bars. If you want to make the right side face out, all you've got to do is press on the middle of this bowl and literally flip it inside out. So now it's like a cap, but then we're going to rotate it so it becomes a bowl again so that it's easy for us to crochet with. And when you do this, by the way, you can also tuck in the yarn tail in the middle here of your bowl, and that saves you some time when it comes to weaving in the yarn tail. So I want to point out some things. You just flipped your piece to make the right side face out, which by the way you can tell because now you can see these V's on the outside. And you're going to keep everything the same. Even though the perspective has changed, you're still going to crochet to the left, like so. Except now, notice how your hook actually goes from the outside to the inside of the piece. Let me move this out of the way. So you're still going to the left, but your hook is going from the outside to the inside of the piece, and you're crocheting in a clockwise direction now.